Hi, welcome dear students to fourth video of chapter 7. Hope all of you are in a good health. Today I am going to discuss about alternate key, foreign key, starting MS Access, component of MS Access. Previous class I already explained about relational database, MS Access, primary key, and candidate. Discuss one by one. It is alternate. We already, this is based on also the primary key and quantitative key. We already discussed about the primary key and quantitative key in previous class. So now you can see here the primary key and primary key is one or more columns whose value is uniquely identified. So primary key is focused on the uniqueness of a row. Each and every call row must be unique. No, so when we are going to create uh, a column, primary key must be unique. For example, roll number should be a primary key. When we're talking about the name, cannot be a name, address cannot be primary key. But there may be a chance of duplication. And also candidate key table, there may be more than one field that uniquely identify the box. And all such fields are called a candidate. And primary key is one of the also candidate. So before going to discuss alternate key, so only one of the candidate keys is selected as a primary key of a table, and all other candidates key are called alternate. And now going to explain using example. So candidate key other than the primary key is called alternate. For example, a student number as well as the student phone, both are candidate for a student, but a student phone will be alternate key. Okay. So only one out of many candidate keys alternate. I hope you understand what is alternate key. Only one of the candidate keys selected as a primary key of a table, and all other candidate key are called alternate. So now another important concept, foreign key. If a primary key of a one table is used in another table to establish a relation, then the primary key of one table is the foreign key in another table. For example, create a table of a student, create a student table. Now here I am going to discuss, so this is a student table. A student's table, a student ID, column name is the student, and name. And now this is a student table, and name, we can add more column name, class. Another table, I'm going to use another table and where Another table. Similarly, going to create another table where we just want to store the attendance of a student. So this is a student ID is the primary key, and where I'm going to just create one is the ID, or another is the student ID. Student ID uh, attendance information. All the attendance we are going to store the date wise date. We're going to store of a particular month. So what is common? What is the here student ID? Well, I'm going to discuss using the here it is here. The student ID is here primary. Student ID is here the primary key of a table. So primary key is PK, primary key, and it shows the uniqueness of a row. And similarly here a student ID, we are to say this is the student ID in the another table. This is the table one students table, and this is the attendance student underscore attendance. So a students table, this is the primary key student ID, and the student underscore ID is here the foreign key, because this is the reference of the another table. If a primary key of one table is used in another table to establish a relation, then the primary key of one table is the foreign key of foreign key another table, because this is the reference of the another table. This is the student table. This is the first table is a student table, and another this is the attendance table. We're going to store the attendance of all the. So this is the student ID, the primary key, and a student underscore ID in the attendance table is the foreign. So only then we are able to find out the attendance here. I hope all of you are able to understand what is the concept foreign key and the primary key. And now another important alternate key, primary key, and next one is MS, how to start MS Excel. How to starting MS Excel. Starting MS Excel, first of all, click on the start, then all programs, Microsoft Office 2010, and then Microsoft Office Access 2000. This is similar to you have used for Open, MS Word, Excel, MS Excel, and MS PowerPoint. So Microsoft, first of all, click on the Start button, then the All Programs, Microsoft Office 2010, and then Microsoft Office Access 2000. The backstage views appears on the screen. This is a simple step. If you're using Windows 10, just need to write down the access. I'm going to write down access here. And now Microsoft Office Access 2010 appears, and just need to click over there. So this is a simple, can create, you can start MS Microsoft Access. Now going to discuss component of MS Access one by one. First one is the title bar. So this is located at the top of the Windows. It displays the name of the active database. This is similar to the other tools which you have used. The title bar appears just the top of the windows, and it displays the name of the active window. So now you can here you can find out it is similar to the Excel which you have used recently. So there is no confusion. The title bar. Another one is the quick access toolbar. This is present at the top left corner of the access window. It has the same commonly used command. So you can see near the top left corner, and you already use this one in the MS Excel. So this is similar to that. You can also add here the more frequently used commands here. So quick access toolbar, all of you are already familiar with this, and this is not new for you. And components, another one is the third one is the ribbon. Ribbon, the ribbon is organized into different tabs which have a command. Each ribbon tab contains the common commands you need for particular activity gathered into the logical groups. So now you can, when you are see first ribbon, is simply you are able to, this is similar, and to the Office you have already used similar to that, which is also the ribbon components of MS Access. Third is ribbon, and fourth one is the navigation pane. You can see here the navigation pane. So it helps you to easily navigate. So navigation pane is the present on the left side of the Access windows. Here you can see the left pane, navigation pane present on the left side of the Access window. And now it shows you the names of the object using the database you are using. So it shows all name here, what you are using database. So next one, tables, forms, reports, queries, they are all visible here, and while you so this here, the example is the image here. You can see the navigation pane, and you are already familiar with the navigation pane. It simply help you to navigate from move one page to another page. Simply when you are going to click, you are able to open the. So now you are able to understand the components which I explained: component title bar, quick access toolbar, the ribbon, the navigation bar. And the next class we will discuss about the object tables, another component of MS Access. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.